Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi here. Today I'm participating in Jill Norwood's Saturday morning makes. So I just want to share the cards that I made the past few weeks. So this one I made two of this. This is a challenge on Art Impressions blog, and I made this cards using this stamp and die set, and it's the Art Impression Cottage, and it comes with the dice. This one here. So that's what I use for these cards. And the paper pad that I use for this is, let's see, this Authentique paper pad, and it's the Cheerful bundle. And I think my friend Cheryl sent this to me, so thank you so much, Cheryl, for sending this paper pad. I love this paper pad. I love Authentique paper pad. They're so pretty. So that's this one. So these are the cards that I made. So I made two cards, and I just put this strip. It's just scraps from the papers that I use, so I don't want to throw them away. So I added them in the inside of the card, and I also added it under my my name or my information on the back. So that's that one. So I did the same thing on the other card. So that's my first two cards. I also made this card here. Again, it's another challenge on Art Impressions blog, and I made this card using this stamp set here. I don't know if this is still available. I'm gonna link this all the things that I use if I find them online. And this one is the Lovebirds stamp set. So that's this one here. And I made this card, and then I added the yellow birds in the inside of the card. So that's that one. And then I also added a strip of paper. It's just a scrap under my name. So this is the second card. I also made this card here. It's a strawberry card using this die set here from Technique Tuesday, and it's called Berry Basket. So I die cut the berries out of red poppy cardstock from Paper Tree Ink, and also I think the green leaves are also cardstock from Paper Tree Ink. And then this is I think I use this paper from this Authentique paper pad again. So that's this one. So that's this, and then the inside I use a strip of paper here, and then one strawberry. And I think, yeah, I did add a strip of paper under my name again here. So that's my third card. And this is another card that I made using this Sunny Studio Bold Balloons stamp set. And I have the coordinating dies for this stamp set here. And this is the card that I made. So it says, "Today is your day to celebrate." I love these balloons here. They're so cute. And then the inks that I use for this are oxide inks. And then the inside, I just stamp another balloon from Hero Arts, and then this sentiment is also from Hero Arts stamp set. So that's that one. Oh, this is the paper pad I used for this card. It's the Abriel the Everyday Collection. It's an old paper pad. So that's that one. This stamp set here, I made a few of these cards. I made 1, 2, 3, 6 cards. So I use this super cute stamps here, or characters or images. And this is the first one. It says age is only a number, mine is unlisted. That's so funny. And then the banner dies that I use here is from Gina Marie Designs, and I also use Gina Marie Designs stitch rectangle die to cut out my background paper. So that's this one, and it says in the inside, happy birthday. So this is the second card here. And again, happy birthday in the inside. And then this one here. Birthdays are good for you. The more you have, the longer you live. And then this one here. And this one. And then the last one is this. And then all of them have the happy birthday in the inside sentiment. And then I added this strip scrap again on the back. I think I added a strip of paper on all of the cards. So that's that one. And then the last cards that I made is this fortune cookies, good fortune house stupendous. I used this stamp, rubber stamp that my friend Cheryl sent me. Thank you so much, Cheryl, for sending this to me. It's a super cute stamp. And then the background, I used this Cattlebug Oriental Wave over here, my background. And then I colored this using my zig markers. And then I die cut with Elizabeth Craft Designs Dashing Rectangles. So that's this one here. And then the inside, I haven't put anything yet. And then I have my name on the back. So these are the two cards that that I made using this Oriental Wave embossing folder and this Stupendous Good Fortune house stamp. And these are all the cards that I made for the past weeks that I haven't shared on my social media yet. So I made 2 of this. I also made 6 of this here. So these are all the cards that I made. That one. And then the strawberry, this one is super cute. And then these 2 cards using the art impression stamps. I will leave links in my description box below, and also linked to Jill Norwood's channel in my description box below, just in case you haven't heard of Saturday Morning Makes. You can go to her channel and you can check her channel out. And yeah, so I hope you like these cards, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.